putting out excerpts from that conversation. But Soni Patnaik from JM Financial Services is now with us for a quick check on the market. Soni, good morning. What does one do when you're faced with a 900-point fall on the Nifty and all indices are down by a similar amount, some more, but none spared?
Hi, good morning, Rima. Vivek, thank you so much for having me on your show. So I think today, of course, it's quite difficult to navigate the markets. It's not exactly indicating a recovery mode from current levels. You can see aggressive call writers positioning themselves anywhere between 20 to 500 to 20 to 300. So there's a possibility that as long as those levels are not taking out, a sell on rise structure may be seen, and as Nifty approaches those levels, selling pressure may intensify again from those levels. So I think it's going to be this volatile, especially when India VIX has actually shot up by 50% today above 21. There's a possibility that it can actually test 26 to 28% levels. So, as long as the VIX is going to remain high, markets are going to be quite volatile. And the best strategy could only be to hedge the positions and look for both a buy and a trading selling ideas as a strategy from sector specific or stock specific rather than just playing out in indices.
Soni, any individual trades for the day, or are you sitting out today?
I think, Vivek, I would like to sit out, but however, there are two stocks which one can keep in radar. So these are sort of conditional recommendations and not direct ones. There's a short covering seen in delivery today. Now, stock actually has reached its resistance level towards 264 odd levels. Now, condition is that if it's able to sustain above a 265, 266, it can head towards 278 to 280 levels. There is strong enough support seen around 256, so the condition would be only to wait out till it crosses the 265 resistance hurdle for the day. There's another selling stock that can be seen, which is in Bharti Airtel. Provided if it closes below a 1680 levels, there's a breakdown that can be seen in Bharti Airtel. Now, below those levels, it can retest its low support towards 1650 odd levels. So I think these two stocks can be kept in radar as much as the levels are concerned.
Bharti Airtel has been one of the most resilient stocks in the last 1 year. In the last 1 year, it's still holding on to a gain of about 44%. And from its 52-week high, it's up 43% at a time when the Nifty is only up about 3-4% from its, from the recent lows, the Nifty is up 3-4%. That's a 52-week low. But Bharti Airtel is up 43%. Thank you very much, Soni, for joining in. Get into a break. Here is